My name is Miss Sophia, and today we are gonna cook. And we are gonna cook a super delicious pie. So what do we need for the pie? Okay, so these are the ingredients for the pie. Apples, vegan butter, semolina, baking powder, sugar, sunflower seeds, hazelnut, raisin, wholemeal flour, and cinnamon. So now we need to take the apples and we need to peel them.
Okay. Here?
So now we take the grater and the apples and we grate the apples. We need to grate all the apples. So now we have the grated apples, we added raisins, and we will add ground cinnamon and hazelnut that we will chop. And we need to mix it all together with a spoon. So we take the spoon and we mix it all together. And don't forget sunflower seeds. So now we take the apples, the raisins and the hazelnuts all together and we put all the stuffing aside and we prepare half of a cup of wholemeal flour, half of a cup of semolina and half of a cup of sugar. Now we take all the cups that we have prepared and we put the ingredients, the sugar, the wholemeal flour and the semolina all together. And now we take a clean dry spoon and we mix it. We mix it very well, and we also need to add 1 spoon of baking powder.
Yeah,
So now take the vegan butter from the freezer. Here is 100 grams of vegan butter, more or less. And we need to grate the first part of the butter, half, here. So half is ready. And we need to distribute. We need to spread the butter very nicely, like this. And then we need to wash our hands.
The next step is to divide the dough in 3 parts. We take 1 part and put at the bottom. And then we take the apples. We divide the apple stuffing in 3 parts and we put 1 part. After this, we put another part of the dough. After putting the dough, we put the second part of the apples. And we put the final part of the dough, the third one. And now it's time to grate the second part of the butter, and that's the top of our pie. The next step is to put the pie in the oven, 180 degrees for 25 minutes.
And we take the pie from the oven. Our task is to put sugar on the top and put it back for 5 minutes.
Who was the one who brought it home? You said it was
So, the apple pie is ready. And now we can eat. It's very delicious. It's a little bit crunchy and it's full of vitamins because there is apple.